Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to do a gradient. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head up to the right hand corner and we'll click on this black circle. This will open up your color palettes, or if it don't open up your color palettes, maybe you'll be on the disc. But from the disc you could select your own colors, but we're going to select from the palettes because we already have those created. So we will select this blue color. Next we will open up our layer by clicking on these two sheets of paper. Once the layer is open, we could click on the layer again, and then it will bring up this side menu on the left hand side. We just go and click fill, and that will fill in the whole canvas with the color you have selected. So in this case, blue for us. Now we'll zoom out a bit so you can see the full canvas, and we'll click this plus icon to create a new layer. Next we'll go ahead and we'll click on the brush icon above to open up our classic library, and now we could scroll down and we'll click on airbrushing, and we'll select our medium hard airbrush. Alright, so now we will select a darker blue color and we will draw a line stretching all the way across the canvas, and you could draw a straight line by dragging over and holding, and you get a straight line, and then we'll fill that in. Afterwards we'll do the same thing just with a lighter color, so we'll create a new layer. And we will draw a line stretching across the canvas. And we will just fill this in. Alright, nice. Okay, so now on the layer with our dark blue, we could head over and click on our one icon above here. And then we'll go ahead and select Gaussian blur. And once selected, we will drag across to the right, and you could see the percentage going up. We will leave it at 70%, and already you could see right there it have this gradient effect going on right here. And for the light color above, we will do the same thing, putting it to 70%. And already you could see the gradient effect going on. And with gradients, you like to think from light to dark. And to be honest, you guys could do this from any direction, but we chose to do it from top to bottom. And having a gradient in the back of your background is better than having a blank background. And it's good for your final illustration if you're not good at doing backgrounds like me here. But hey, now you know we'll be in the back of our BAMs. But with that being said, guys, we hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.